in my previous video, I showed you how to get a funded account, that is, how to buy a funded account from prop firms. And this is the funded account that I bought. So what I am going to do now is to show you how to connect this account to my MT5 so that I can begin trading with it. So if you want to know how funded trading account works, just stay with me and see how I will connect it and I will start using it. I have logged into the account right now. So what you're interested in are these credentials that are over here. You click on the credentials. So it will bring up the server address, your login number, and then your password. I am going to use this information now to log into my MT5. This is my login number, and also this is my password. I am going to copy it, and then it's on MetaTrader 5. The server is 5% online real. So I am going to show you how I do that. I'm going to connect my MT5 to this. If you don't know how to connect your MT5 account, a video will pop out right now showing you how to use this information that you are seeing to connect to your MT5. So this is my MT5 app. I am going to click on it. At the top right hand corner here, you are going to click on manage accounts. So over here, you are going to click this plus sign. Click this plus sign to add an account. Now the server they told us is 5%. So we are going to check for 5%. Type it. You can see it. It has appeared. So when you finish searching, it should appear like this. That's 5% online. Click on it. We are going to enter the login. I will enter the password. Our server is 5% online real, so we select it, this one. When you are done, click login. So we have been logged in already. You can see, so I have connected it right now. I will now go to my codes. These are the codes that you are seeing. Let's say you can click over here and see under the charts to see. You can see that they don't even have, in fact, there is no even spread. Look at how thin their spread is. Let me see GBP USD. You can see virtually no, there is no spread. I love this. Okay, so let's check for gold. XAU USD, add it to it. Let me check for crude oil, US oil. Or did they put US oil? Did they use oil? Energy, let me see. Is Brent US crude oil? Okay, they have. And then let's see crypto. They have crypto. They only Ethereum and Bitcoin. Let me add more again. Indices, they have NASDAQ, S&P 500, US 30. That's Dow Jones. Have been added. What again? Any other pair, I will just add them later. So let me see, under the Forex, there are a lot of other CAD CHF, CAD JPY, Euro AUD, Euro CAD, Euro C. So I can just simply add all the Forex pairs. This is how to use your funded account. So I am adding all the Forex pairs to my codes. So you see all of them here. If I want to trade any one, you will just select the one you want to trade. You just select the one you want to trade. You can see it. So even if I want to enter for a sell, I can click this button to come up. So what I'm trying to tell you now, you see I can click sell, this sell button that I've seen, enter your lot size here. Let's say I enter 0.3. Now there's something I do to know how much I'm going to be risking if my stop loss is over here is just $20. This is what I was saying. So click on sell, agree to the terms of one click button, then you click your sell. So you can see I will tap and add my stop loss. Good. So you can see already we are in profit in this account right now. We are in profit. If I want, I can close it just for you to know. So I can close. This is the reason why I love MT5. Just one click button and you will see that it has closed what you want to close already. If you don't know how to use MT5 for trading, I have made a video on that. It will pop up at the top right hand corner. You come to history, you see all the history over here. Click on it. Their commission is for every 0.01 lot, they are charging 0.04 as a commission. So it's decent enough. Some even charge 0.06. 0.04 is decent enough. Okay. Now, if you have any further question regarding this, just let me know in the comment section. Now, let's say, I just want to close this just to see how it reflects. So I'm going to end everything over here. Then I'll switch back to the system to see how it is reflecting in our account on our dashboard. So you can see the profit already has reflected. This is the profit on our MT5 is also reflecting on the dashboard over here. You can see it. And any other thing is reflecting as well. So you will be seeing everything being drawn here. You can click to check the practices that they don't want. So you can click for you to read their rules and regulations. And if there's any open trade, you see the lot size, everything, you see it over here. So this is how to use a funded account. Now, if you have any other question regarding how funded trading accounts work, just let me know in the comment section. But with this, I believe you have known how funded trading accounts do work. They are just like normal demo accounts that you can connect to your MT5 and you trade them, but they come with some rules, and these are the rules that they are writing. They don't want you to break any of their rules. So these are their rules that you have to follow. If you break any of their rules, you are going to have your account closed and you will lose the money that you use. Now just look at it. You have to go over them, read it, and then avoid any bad practices that they don't want. Now, if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.